So today I'm gonna try to teach you how to fix the infotainment. See how it's glitching and it keep on rebooting. So that's the Mazda Connect. It's just you turn it on, and after you drive for a while, it just shuts off and reboots, and it's annoying. And so the easiest way that I found out how to fix it is it's simple. Let me show you. Okay, so this was resetting, and to get rid of the reset, you gotta take off the nav card.
It's somewhere. The nav card's right here. Yeah, right here.
Where is it? Okay, so all you need to do is just take that out.
Yep.
Okay, just take that out and then everything should be fine. So that's how you get rid of the glitch on this screen for the Mazda